Hey guys, we're headed down the road. There's the lake. Anyways, we are actually headed on a field trip. Can you say field trip?
Field trip. No, school.
No school. Yes, we're headed on a field trip actually with Benjamin's class. So Blake gets to come along and that's his school for today. He gets to go on the field trip too. We're going to a bird sanctuary. And we've actually vlogged this before. It's been some time ago. I think it was last year. And so anyways, you guys have been around for a while, you know, and you've probably seen that vlog. But anyways, we're going with Benjamin's school today, his class. And yeah, we're almost there. And we'll have to meet them there. He's on the bus. And then we'll be there all day. Hopefully the skies will hold out for us. They're calling for rain. And I forgot an umbrella. Not a good idea, guys. Not a good idea. So, anyways, and then after the field trip, then we'll leave and go get Brooke from school, and we gotta start preparing for prom. Prom is this weekend. So tonight we're gonna be going to go get her nails done and her toes done and her eyebrows waxed, and I'm gonna get mine waxed too. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna do that. And this guy is just along for the ride today. Alright, we'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, we're here before the bus made it. So Blake and I are gonna actually go in and go get our tickets, right? Yeah. Look at them, they just packed today. Look how thick their egg is. Wow.
They got an ostrich egg in here.
Alright, these are all the eggs.
I've seen the ostrich.
Are those real
We used to
eggs?
go
Or are
to
they
Yeah, they're real.
We used to go to the ostrich farm. I had a friend who had the emu. I had a parent that had the ostriches out there.
Oh, we got the little ducks. It's early morning.
There's a fish in there.
I know, I see a huge fish. That was cool. Look at
Probably
those. That's neat. Look at all of them on the banks and stuff. Just sitting there. So cute. There's the turtle. Aww. And they're eating.
Right here. He's a smaller one though. He just went under.
He's coming up for food. That's cool.
Look, you can get the fish over there. They're so big.
I know, there's so many of them too. You see another turtle over there. There's just all kinds of birds in here.
Oh, that's a big fish.
You gonna see if he wants it, Ben?
I'm gonna see if he will eat mine.
Well, don't corner him. It's a toucan.
There's toucan. I want the toucan.
Oh wow, girl.
Oh, Ben, let me see. Ben,
Turn around, baby.
let's see. Just stay still.
Look at mommy.
Look at it. Awesome. That's cool, Ben. Let me get your fit. Oh. Oh, look at him holding on to the wall. Ben. Look at him. They're so cool looking.
Look at an ice.
How are you?
The owls. They're so pretty. Ben and Blake, hey guys, come look at this.
Oh, hey.
Hello, Mr. Peacock. Alright guys, so the field trip was a success. We've got work out of school and I am getting ready to leave right now to go take her to get her nails and her toenails, her finger and toenails done and her eyebrows waxed. And yeah, it's coming quick, it's coming close. It's gonna be exciting. Let me see your crusty toes. Lift them up.
Hey guys, it was a hot one today. Got a little sun cook on the face there.
You're gonna shave and you're gonna have like all your.
Mom's getting ready to run into somebody, guys.
I'm
Jesus.
not.
Help me, guys.
You're gonna shave and your skin's gonna be white.
It's got a little sun cook. It's alright, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it through. I got the crew with me. The belligerent bees. Anybody want to say hi? Hi! What about you? We're off to go to get some pizza. Everybody kind of likes that, so we're gonna do that. And then we have all kinds of exciting stuff to show. I'm just kidding. We ain't got nothing exciting to show anybody. Look, there's a flooding. Let's look at the flooding. Look at it. Oh, that's the river over there that's flooded up. So yeah, we got that going on. We got flooding, a little bit of flooding here. Oh, my nose got burned. Oh, shoot, I don't want that. And you can see it's more over here. That's where the river has gone over its banks. You can see the river over there.
It's like Hurricane Matthew.
Yeah, it's like when the hurricane came.
It's Hurricane Matthew 2017.
No, it's just a lot of rain. I just wanted to check in and say hi to everybody and let you know I'm still alive. And I'll check in a little while.
Alright guys, we're here at the Pizza Hut.
Hey.
We smell like
Bigger, I know, bigger,
They're triggering me off on
better,
it.
bolder, 33% bigger. I want that.
I want stuffed crust.
Stuffed crust,
Stuffed crust pepperoni. You want that?
Stuffed crust cheese?
Yeah. Just do stuffed crust with pepperoni.
Now I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna order water. No, just bring me a water.
Let's see your nails. Ooh, they're so pretty. Alright guys, the food came and I don't think we vlogged it. We were so hungry, huh? Y'all were hungry?
Guys,
Ben,
I
you're
had
like
one
crook your
piece.
right on the camera.
Guys, I literally had one piece and I'm already full. That's
Yeah.
how big these
So
are.
we have a stuffed crust over there with some crazy cheesy bread stuff.
Yeah.
A regular pizza with pepperoni. And, you know, he's got to go different than everybody else.
Absolutely. You gotta enjoy the full range.
So he got supreme deep dish. Ben, are you okay?